And a little toy car, and a couple of other bits. Right then, back on the beach. I'm out with a different Deus 2. I did a swap with a great guy. He wanted the Knox 900, so I've done a swap with him for a Deus 2. So I'm using his old Deus 2. That's my beach. I'm only going to be here for a couple of hours, maybe 3 hours at the most. I will spin you right the way around. Over here somewhere is Butlins. So I'm at Bognor. I will say where I am because it doesn't really matter. Yeah, so out with the Deus 2 on the beach. Let's see what we can get. If we get anything, great. If we don't, that's just one of them things, isn't it? Thanks for following me, and let's see what we get. Right, first hole. It's coming up 67, 68. It's out. It's out. And the first bit is a bit of aluminium. Just a bit of aluminium. It's not the best signal. 72, 71, 72. Not the best signal at all, to be fair. But it's a signal. Grunty. I haven't changed the control box at all since getting it, so I'm out with basic programs at the moment. And what we got? Was it a coin? Yes, it was. It was a penny. There you go, 1 pence. Not that I can spend that. But yeah, penny. Looks like the sea has stripped this area because it's stripped right the way back at the moment. So maybe I'm going to get a lot of older, rustier coins. That is out. It's out. Can see rust. Can't see a coin. Yeah. What did that used to be? Try and break that. I think there used to be a 2p by the looks of that. Yeah. 2 pence. Again, I'm not going to be able to use that. So another coin for the pot. Oh, it's out. That's another penny, another old penny. Not what I say, old penny. It's another penny, rusted up a little bit. And that one can be saved. There you go. 86, 87. It's out. Is it that bit of aluminium? No. I know what it should be. It should be a pound. What is it? It is a pound. It's a round pound. So you can't spend these ones, but you can still bank them. And there you go. So that's how much this is stripped back for me to find them. Tough to bits. That's a 65 mainly. It goes to 66 as well. It's not far from where I found that round pound. Oh, there we go. I'd say a 10p piece. Yeah, I'd say that was a 10p piece. Can't quite make out. It's quite. Oh, there you go. There's a 10 there. 10's just there. Oh, not what I expected to see on the beach. A child's metal detector. I don't know if they've just dropped it or what. How does that work there? Just change the battery, I suppose. Or if you're the child that's lost it, or the parent of the child that's lost it, let me know. But yeah, a metal detector left on the beach. And I'm going to dig where it was. So did their battery run out? And that's what they found. I don't know. Never mind. Okay. 69.70. In the real world that should be a 20p piece. It's out. It's out. And it is a 20p piece. Not to think then. Yeah, it's a 20p piece. Well, there you go. Well, what stopped me was it was a 72. It's now a 76, 78. Possibly a bit of tin then. Possibly. Let's have a look. Oh no. What's that? Oh bloody hell. Bloody great bullet. I wasn't expecting to find that. Yeah, a bullet. Oh, there you go. Quite a hefty one as well. It's still a 62. It's out. It's out. bloody ring pull. Oh well. Well, 85. I thought it was going to be a pound. It's ended up being a little truck. It was in this hole here. It's called an earth shaker. I don't know what these are part of. Venom. Oh, it says. Hey. Yes. Oh, Vietnam, not Venom. Sorry. Yeah, I don't know what they're part of. I don't know if these are the miniature ones of the big trucks that you get. And there you go. Always good to get a little toy. Oh, it's out. Ah, bloody bottle cap. I haven't had one of them for a long time. Can't believe it. Oh, there you go. It is a new one, so I'm not surprised. Oh, it's out. It's out. Is it worth it? Or was it worth it, I should say. Yeah, I'd say it was worth it. There's a bullet. For me it was worth it. I like bullets. But yeah, got myself a bullet. Alright, this may have to be the last hole. It's a 85, 86. I'm right back where my van is now. And I've been 2.5 hours. So not a lot to show for it, but I did get a few coins. Child's metal detector. I don't quite know how I got that. And a little toy car. And a couple of other bits. Oh, we just got another pound. This time it's suspendable. So we got a pound. So that may be the last hole. I just had a 69.70 out of there. It's a 20p piece. Only been there a little while by the looks of it. But yeah, 20p piece. So coins wise today, I'm not done too bad. 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 8 so far. Although I say so far, that's probably going to be the last one now. Right then. A couple of hours, 2.5 hours or whatever it was on Bognor Beach. I got a handful of coins, which I'm quite happy about. Let me just show you the other item if you haven't been watching right the way through. I can't do it. Forget it. Or can I? Yes. I found a child's metal detector. Don't know if it'll ever work, but yes, I found a child's metal detector. A little toy car, and I think 8 or 9 coins in the end. So yeah, chuffed to bits. Thank you very much for following me, or at least getting this far anyway. If you don't already subscribe, please do. Don't forget there is an LP offer code. You get 10% off if you use OPS10 at the end of your checkout. The link is in the description as always. But yeah, thank you very much. Much appreciated, and see you on the next. Thank you very much. Bye.